If you've been arrested for a DUI in Wisconsin or Indiana or any state, it could be anywhere in the country outside the state of Illinois, but you had an Illinois driver's license when that happened, you need to be very careful because Illinois, if you're arrested for that DUI in Illinois on a first time offense, you would most likely be given what's called court supervision. Supervision is not a conviction in Illinois, and therefore, because it's not a conviction, it doesn't revoke your license. Other states like Wisconsin and Indiana and almost every other state, they don't have court supervision. So any disposition, even if you're getting a reduced charge down to a driving while impaired or driving under a .14 BAC, that's a minor offense in many other states. That conviction on that charge can still reflect over to the Illinois Secretary of State, and then Illinois will revoke your driving privileges for a full year. Now, if you don't have a hearing, that year expires, you're still revoked. You have to have a hearing to get up and driving. So what I recommend people is if you've only had one DUI, if you have an active case or if you just got revoked, you should contact us immediately for what's called an informal hearing. The informal hearings right now still need to be in person. You still need to basically get the facts of the case of what happened. We need to make sure that you have treatment requirements through an alcohol evaluator that comply with the Illinois Secretary of State's requirements. We guide you through that whole process, and then I am able to bring you in person to your hearing with the informal process very quickly. Once we can typically get most clients in within about 1 month or 2 months from the date that they bring us on board. Then we need to wait for the Secretary of State to give us results. The informal hearing is exactly what it sounds like. It's informal. So it's you and the attorney, would be me, and an informal hearing officer. There's no attorneys that are working against you at that hearing, just us. And again, our success rate is great on these. We prepare you for it. We try to calm your nerves, and we'll get you back on the road at the informal process.